Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to brighten video in DaVinci Resolve, make dark videos brighter, easy DaVinci Resolve tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just go ahead and open DaVinci Resolve onto your device and open the project when you want to go ahead and brighten a video. As you can see in here, I've added a clip already or imported a clip that we're going to go ahead and brighten. Once you have imported a clip onto your end, just simply drag and drop it in here onto the timeline to edit this. So click onto the clip right after it is added and click onto this icon to proceed. Right after, once you're in here, click onto this color wheel in here to open the color wheels here. So we're gonna click onto this icon in here which shows the primaries color wheels. So we should be able to see gamma in here. So you'll just have to scroll this to the right to go ahead and adjust the brightness for that. So as you can see, the video is now brighter, and if you want to darken this, just go ahead and swipe to left. And once you're satisfied with that, just do a quick preview onto your video. And that is how easy you could go ahead and brighten a video in DaVinci Resolve. If you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.